Hey gang, sorry I'm getting this video out so late tonight. Just had one of those days, but I'll get it off here quickly, so hopefully get a peek at it if you're going to try and do it in the morning. The warm-up is pretty basic. You're going to do 2 rounds, 5 inchworms, 10 side-to-side lunges, 10 plank to pike, and 10 cat and cow. So just a quick reminder, the plank to pike is going to be in a plank position, up to a pike, thinking about pushing your arms through your shoulders, driving those heels to the floor. Okay, so you're going to do 10 of those, and then you're going to do 10 cat and cow. You'll go through those 4 movements 2 times. Okay, so I know some of you might have some sore legs from the workout that was for Monday. So maybe you don't want to do part A. Sometimes if you get the legs moving, it actually will help speed up the recovery a little bit. So maybe you want to try it and lower the numbers a little bit and move a little bit slower. So this one is going to be 3 rounds on every 3 minutes. So your clock's going to start at 0. And you're going to go all the way. You won't start your next round until the minute 3. Okay, so you definitely will have rest time in this one. So the first movement is going to be your jump lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 20. Then you're going to do jump squats. The feet have to leave the floor. Okay, knees go out on the way down and the way up. Try to keep that chest high. Then you're going to do 10 air squats, and you're going to do a 2-second down and a 2-second up. So it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's 1 squat, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's 2. So you're going to do 10 of those. So 20 alternating jump lunges, 20 jump squats, 10 air squats with the 2-second down, 2-second up. Okay, so that's part A. Again, if your legs are sore, you can play with those numbers, but like I said, sometimes if you keep moving, it actually will help things feel a little bit better. Okay, so part B, you're going to see there's a B1 and a B2. So B1, you're going to work for 75 seconds, 60 single skips, 30 double unders, 4 thrusters, max lateral burpees. B2 is another option, be a scaled option. You work for 60 seconds at a time. Your skipping goes down to 40 singles, 20 double unders. The thrusters stay the same, and so do the burpees. So we're going to be doing 2 rounds of this. It's very similar to part A. You're going to be working though every 2 minutes on this one. So if you choose B1, you're going to work for 1 minute and 15 seconds. That gives you 45 seconds rest. If you choose B2, you're going to work 60 seconds and you get a 60-second rest. Okay, so you can pick which one you like. You're going to grab your skipping rope. You're going to do 60 single skips or 30 double unders. If you don't have a rope, you can either air skip or you can do high knees. You're going to grab your dumbbells and you're going to do 4 dumbbell thrusters. Okay, then you're going to put your dumbbells down and you're going to do lateral max burpees for the remainder of the time. So say you get done your skipping and your thrusters and you're at 30 seconds, then that means, or say 45 seconds, that means you have 30 more seconds of doing your max burpees. If you're doing the 60 second, then you're going to watch the clock and make sure that you're doing your max burpees until the clock hits 1 minute. Now, here's how this workout works. I didn't write it all down because it's probably easier to explain. This workout is all about the burpees. So what you're going to do is you're doing 8 rounds. I want you to keep track of your burpees after each round. Say round 1 you get 10 burpees, round 2 you get 10, say round 3 you get 11, but then round 4 you get 10 again. Those ones don't count in your total. You always have to get the same amount of burpees that you got on the round previous or more. You can't go less. If you go less, that particular set of burpees don't count in your overall total. So it kind of gives you that incentive to keep pushing through, but it also is going to teach you how to set a nice pace. Now, I don't want you trying to go and say, well, I'm only going to do 5, and then you have a whole bunch of time to rest. Just keep moving at a steady pace, make it challenging, but make it doable. So, so at the end, you're going to add up your total of burpees, and that's going to be your score of that workout. So you have 2 to choose from. Again, make sure that you try to beat or match the burpees that you get the round previous. If you have any questions, just please shoot the questions my way, and I will help you out. I hope I explained that okay, and I hope that you enjoy